chance, I'll always come out and we rub minds. We discuss about it without being biased. Am I communicating? Good morning. Happy Sunday. Yeah, it's a quick one. Good morning, Sister Wande. Good morning. Good morning. Emma Bino, mon drive, so me ni le rin dada se gbo. Mo gbe phone yen sile ni because mo fe gbe soke ki ma wa distracted. Yeah. So I saw 2 viral videos. Number 1, as you have seen on my title, we are gonna be discussing 2 issues this morning, and I'm gonna be very brief and fast about it. It's a viral video, and I think we need to quickly talk about it because many are not reasoning. We don't see things in the same ways, yeah. And so far we don't see things in a different way. Doesn't mean you are my enemy or I am your enemy. We have different opinion towards things, yeah. Reason I'm coming out this morning to talk about it briefly, yeah. Number 1, I saw a viral video yesterday about the twins. Àwọn ibeji tó máa ń ṣe prank yẹn. Yeah, I saw their viral video yesterday. They gifted their mom a brand new car. Congratulations to the twins mom. Gbogbo abiyamọ ló máa jẹ wọn mọ́ lórúkọ Jésù. Gbogbo abiyamọ tó ṣẹ́gun sí ló máa jẹ lórúkọ Jésù. On the day of your joy as parents, nobody will take your place. Nobody will replace us in the mighty name of Jesus. Àní fojú sunkún àwọn ọmọ wa. Iṣẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa á ṣojú wa lórúkọ Jésù. Tó bá wá di àsìkò tá fẹ́ jẹ wọn mọ́, wọn ò ní fi ẹnikẹ́ni nínú wa ṣe àwátì lórúkọ Jésù. Àwọn ọmọ náà wọ́n á yanjú, wọ́n á ṣe rere lórúkọ Jésù. Twins mom, I congratulate you so much. Àwọn ọmọ náà wọ́n á ṣe ìtọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ fún yín lórúkọ Jésù. I am so happy for you. As a matter of fact, when I was watching that video yesterday, I was so teary. Mo sunkún gan because it was so touching. As perfect as that video might have been, oni akin gbọ́n tán. A dẹ̀ máa ń pé gbọ́n ni à ń pé gọ̀. This video is especially for twins mom, and it is also for the twins. Because as far as I'm concerned, I was told the twins, they are 24 years of age. So one ṣọmọdé mọ́. Yeah. So kọ́lọ́n jẹ́ kí video yìí kó bá mi dé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn. Ṣé kò tí mo sọ yé yín? Now, they gave their mom that car yesterday. I was so happy for the mom. Àmọ́ dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún mọ́mì wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan síṣẹ́. Ipe iṣu ọmọ á jiná fún gbogbo wa jẹ lórúkọ Jésù. Tó bá wá tó àsìkò tó máa jiná fún wa jẹ, kò ní jó wa lẹ́nu. Wọn dẹ̀ ní fi wá ṣàwátì. Twins mom, ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní o. Oúnjẹ ọmọ ni kò ní jó yín lẹ́nu lórúkọ Jésù mà. But one thing I realized yesterday, as their mommy was happy, she was rejoicing, she was jubilating, she was in a very good mood. One thing happened tó jẹ́ pé kò jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Níwọ̀n bá ọgbọ́n tèmi tó yé mi. Mi rò bó jẹ́ kí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi tá ti ń ṣe àjọyọ̀. I used to tell people láyé yìí, Sherry, tí èèyàn bá ń ṣe nǹkan àjọyọ̀, Ọlọ́run tó ti gbé ẹ sí ipò láti ní ẹnu ọpẹ́, láti ní ẹnu ìyìn, mo rò bó wá tún tọ́ ká tún máa bú èébú àbí ká máa throw shade. Ṣó fẹ́ mọ̀ jọ Ọlọ́run lọ ni. Ìgbà tó ń ṣe fídíò yẹn lánàá, mọ́mì wọ́n ti dúpẹ́, wọ́n ti jó, everybody was happy for them. But wọ́n wá fi sókínkì kan wọ́n fi ba ìdí jẹ́. The twins, they started throwing shade to their father. They started throwing shade to their father, insulting their father indirectly, saying all sorts of things. ẹni tí ò bá tọ́jú ọmọ kò lè jẹun ọmọ, ẹni tó bá ṣe kinní kan kò lè ṣe kinní kan. No. I had to leave that chat because it was so degrading. Ọlọ́run ti gbé yín sáyé ọpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ti ṣe yín lógo. Òótọ́ èmi ò wo story yẹn o. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ló mọ ẹni tó ń parọ́. Mi wo story yẹn. And I don't want to be one-sided. I don't want to be judgmental with the case of Iya Ibeji and Baba Ibeji. But my concern, Eripe, you will see that I did not talk about it. But my concern yesterday was why they were celebrating the car that was gifted to their mom. They were throwing shade and insulting their dad. That is uncalled for. I am sorry to say, àwọn Ibeji wọn ò hùwà ọmọ tó kọ́ níbẹ̀ yẹn. I am a single mom and I am also from a polygamous home. While I was growing, not for one day did my mother taught me how to insult my father. Am I communicating? My mother never taught me how to insult my father. As a matter of fact, my mother never told me what transpired between her and my father. When I grew up to know that my father was even there. It was my mother that we didn't see again because my father, he was a polygamist. Am I communicating? He was a polygamist, but he's always keeping his children. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yé yín? Màmá mi ò fọjọ́ kan sọ story bàbá mi àbí kó bá bú bàbá mi lójú mi àbí kó ṣépè fún bàbá mi. Having said that, àròkàn ló máa ń mú ẹkún àsùnsùn tó wá. Àwọn òbí kan máa ń ṣe, mi sọ pé kò dáa. But if we can try not to do it, it would have been very perfect for us. Àbí nǹkan tí mo sọ yé yín? Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yé yín? Now, àwọn twins, wọ́n fún ìyá wọn ní mọ́tò lánàá. Tínú mi dẹ̀ dùn, inú gbogbo yẹn dùn. People were so happy, people were so emotional, people were crying. But ṣé rí nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó bàjẹ́ ni pé ìgbà tí àwọn twins wá ń kọrin, wọ́n wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá yẹn, wọ́n throw shade, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ indirectly. Mo wá sọ pé mo update láàárọ̀ ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí mo ń wo show yẹn lánàá, I had to come out of that show because I couldn't bear that insult again. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí? Though mommy wọn ò mọ̀gbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. But having said that, later mommy wọn gbọ́ ipe wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kọrin yẹn. I, as a mother, I expected their father, you know, their mother, to caution them wípé stop it. Ọlọ́run ti ṣògo fún wa. Ọlọ́run ti gbé yín ga, Ìyá Ìbejì. Ọlọ́run ti gbé yín ga, twins. Ọlọ́run tó fún yín nílé, Ọlọ́run tó fún yín ní fame, Ọlọ́run tó fún yín mọ́tò, kí ló wá kù? Ẹ wá sọ pé Ọlọ́run ò ṣe tó fún yín. You might just ignore and not talk about your father. You might not just throw shade at your father. The fact pé bàbá ò tọ́jú ọmọ, ìyẹn ò sọ pé ká disrespect àwọn bàbá yẹn. I'm sorry, I'm going to be making a reference this morning. Sherry, one thing, tí mo fi like àwọn ọmọ màmá Isabod ni. Àwọn ọmọ ẹlòmíì lè máa ṣe o, but èyí tí mo rí ni mo fi reference láàárọ̀ yìí. Sherry ya Isabod, bí màmá ṣe bọ́ta tó ṣe sọ pé ọkọ àwọn ex àwọn ó ṣe báyìí. Ẹ wo bí bàbá yẹn ṣe máa ń bọ́ta tó ṣe máa ń ṣépè fún àwọn ọmọ tí màmá Isabod bí fún. Ẹ lè gbọ́ káwọn ọmọ yẹn bọ́ta kan bú bàbá yẹn àbí kan update fún bàbá yẹn. Nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ pé ọmọ tó kọ́ nìyẹn. Mo sorry o. Ìyá Ìbejì lè kọ́ àwọn Ìbejì o, but ìwà táwọn Ìbejì tó display lánàá yẹn tó ń bú bàbá wọn kò tọ́ sí wọn lẹ́nu lára. Tó wá sọ pé ẹni tó bá tọ́jú ọmọ ló máa jèrè ọmọ, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fi responsibility ẹ̀. Ṣé wà ń bẹ̀ ní ìgbà tí ìyá yín àti bàbá yín sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jà? Ẹ sí ń bẹ̀ yín Ìbejì. Kò sí bí bàbá yẹn ṣe lè burú tó. Gbogbo bàbá ní bàbá gbogbo ayé ni. Bàbá tó wúlò nù gbogbo àwọn bàbá ẹ̀ bóyá 1%. Bóyá 1%. And bàbá tá dé sọ yìí, ó lè ti realize the mistake ẹ̀. And in one of that man's video, mo gbọ́ tó sọ pé òun máa ń wo àwọn Ìbejì. Inú òun máa ń dùn wípé òun ò bá má ti respond sí story tí Ìyá Ìbejì sọ yẹn. Ó ní but ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kó òun respond. Ó ní because òun ò fẹ́ bá brand àwọn Ìbejì jẹ́, òun ò fẹ́ tiẹ̀ show up rárá. Bàbá yẹn lè ti realize. Ó kàn lè máa tì í lójú láti bọ́ta láti wá apologize because ó bẹ̀ pé tóun bá bọ́ta náà ẹ máa sọ pé owó ló ń wá. You don't need all that. Ọlọ́run ti gbé yín ga. Ọlọ́run ti gbé yín ga. Bàbá ti regret, bàbá go ti suffer, bàbá. And moreover, ìyá ìbejì náà ti lọ fẹ́ ọkọ ìgbà tó fi bàbá ìbejì sílẹ̀. You don't need to rub it to your father's face. Kò sí nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn lè jẹ́. Bàbá yín ṣe, they will still tag it to you. Wọ́n yìí máa tag bàbá yẹn pẹ̀lú yín. Bàbá yín lọ́yìn máa pè. Tí bàbá yẹn bá lọ lọ́la máa ní bàbá àwọn ìbejì yẹn. No matter how you disclaim that man, no matter how you say you don't want that man, he's still your father. The fact that the man did not look after you when you were young, it doesn't give you the effrontery to disrespect your father. What you did yesterday, the twins, it's uncalled for. And show ipe my mommy yín tọ́ yín, mo sorry o. Show rárá ipe mommy yín tọ́ yín. Because ó jẹ́ kẹ́ stop, kò tẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ fi mommy daddy yín pa rárá. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó wà ńbẹ̀ náà, wọ́n wá fi bàbá ẹ̀ pa. Bàbá yẹn tó bá di nǹkan míì lọ́la ńkọ́. Bó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ́ lọ ṣe máa tẹ̀. You should never ever disrespect your father or your mother. Gbọ́ nǹkan tí Bíbélì sọ ni. Ó ní bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá rẹ àti bàbá rẹ kí ọjọ́ rẹ lè pẹ́ láyé. Kò ṣe ìyàwó àti bàbá wa nìkan àti gbogbo ẹni tó bá jù wá lọ ni. Bíbélì ò sọ pé bàbá tí ò bá tọ́jú ọmọ má bọ̀wọ̀ fún. It is not left for we children to disrespect our parents because wọ́n tọ́jú wa. You might just ignore. You might not even talk to him. You might choose to block him off. So for the twins, as a celebrity, to come out and display that kind of character. Rántí pé máa fi ọkọ lọ́la ni. Ẹ̀yin twins, máa fi ọkọ lọ́la. Ọkọ tẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ yẹn á wò pé àwọn ìyá ọkọ tẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ yẹn wá wo fídíò yẹn wá ní. Wo báwọn ilé iṣẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá wọn. So definitely tán bá wọlé àwọn tí ń lọ gan bá ṣe wọ́n á fi lọ pa yamayama ni. No. Àmọ́ pé bàbá yẹn lè ṣe nǹkan lóòótọ́ kó ọ̀tí. Am I communicating? Bàbá yẹn lè ṣe nǹkan lóòótọ́ kó ọ̀tí. But you shouldn't have been pushed to say such. Amy, you might just ignore. You won't even talk about him, honestly. You won't, because Ọlọ́run gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ, gbogbo ìjà tẹ́ fẹ́ jà, Ọlọ́run ti gbógo fún yín. Ọlọ́run ti sọ yẹ̀yẹ́ yín da yẹ̀yẹ́. Ọlọ́run ti sọ yín dẹ́, Ọlọ́run ti òkúta tí màlẹ́ kọ̀ sílẹ̀. Ọlọ́run wá sọ di pàtàkì ìgúnlé. Kò jẹ́ kẹ́ bú bàbá yẹn rárá. Tí bàbá yẹn ò bá lé mọ́mì yín síta lọ́jọ́ sí, ẹ lè má débi tẹ́dé yẹn. Honestly, I expected you to be dancing. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yín? To be dancing, to be doing. I'm not talking about Baba Ibeji being remorseful. Am I communicating? Even if Baba Ibeji is not remorseful, even if Baba Ibeji is Lucifer, it doesn't give the twins the right to rubbish their father like that. Their father will always be their father. My sister, I'm not talking about Baba Ibeji or Iya Ibeji being remorseful. I'm talking about the way they dragged their father, the sub they gave their father, the way they rubbished their father yesterday online. That is what I'm talking about. It is uncalled for, my sister. Ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wá. Mo tún sọ sé, a ní nǹkan kan tí máa ṣe máa respect àwọn ọmọ ìyá Esabod nìyẹn. Ẹ wo bí Gaddafi ṣe bọ́ta, tó ṣe ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ yẹn, tó ṣe disclaim wọn, tó ṣe bú wọn. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn ò fijọ́ kan, wọn update fún bàbá yẹn. Wọn ò fijọ́ kan, wọn fi bú bàbá yẹn. Tó bá tiẹ̀ ń bú bàbá yẹn, wọn ò wá display lórí social media. That is what I'm saying. Displaying such on internet never forgets. Ẹ̀dá ò láròpin. Bàbá tẹ́ ẹ̀rọ lè ní pò lọ àbí nǹkankan. Anything can happen to him tomorrow. Adúpẹ́ kò ní sẹ́ni tó máa tọrọ jẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dì kankan. But you shouldn't. You can gift your mommy the car. You can display. You can dance. You can do everything. Àsìkò mọ́mì yín ni. Ó dẹ̀ máa jẹun ọmọ yẹn. Iṣu ọmọ yìí ò ní jó lẹ́nu. But coming out to insult your father, to say that pé ẹni tó bá tọ́jú ọmọ ló máa jẹun ọmọ, please. Ìbejì, ẹ má ṣe mú ẹjọ́. Orí wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dè. Ọwọ́ ọ̀tá ò ní ká wa. Lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹjọ́. Ẹ fi bàbá yẹn sílẹ̀ jẹ́. The baba will be pained. Ẹ mọ̀ pé bàbá yẹn gan. Inú ẹ̀ gan ò dùn. The fact pé orí yín tẹ̀ ń tọ́jú ìyá yín. Inú ò lè dùn. The fact pé kò tọ́jú yín kékeré gan, inú ò lè dùn. Ẹjọ́, ẹ má tún hard mọ́ problem ẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn lọ pokùnso ẹjọ́ twins. Please, I beg you, mama twins. And please, let's leave our hearts to forgive. Especially when it comes to father and children relationship. And this is an advice to mothers. relationship ẹ̀yin àtọkọ tí ò bá work ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin òbí tẹ́ máa ń pe àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ máa sọ nǹkan tí bàbá wọn ṣe bàbá yín ṣe báyìí bàbá yín olórí burúkú bàbá yín ló ṣe báyìí please I want you to desist from it. I beg you in the mighty name of God. I beg you. Mo máa ń sọ kíní kan tí relationship ò bá work yín ò sọ pé ká di ọ̀tá ara wa. I'm talking from an experience today. I'm a single parent myself. I'm a single parent. But you sọ pé kí wá mọ́ mi, kí wá máa pòkọ̀ bànújẹ́ fún. No, because let me tell you one thing. Àwọn ọmọ tí Naija lè lágídí o. Ṣé àwọn ọmọ ìlúwa yìí kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè pòkọ̀ bànújẹ́ fún wọn. Tó bá yìí rí bàbá wọn, ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí máa run. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí máa run. Ẹ má pòkọ̀ bànújẹ́ fáwọn ọmọ yẹn. Let the children know themselves. And if they come to ask you questions, don't condemn the father because bàbá tí ò dá lẹ́ni, ó lè dọ́là kó tún wà ṣe. He might be under a spell. He might be under influence. He might be under anything. Please. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa poison mind àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Because bí ṣe rí àwọn ọmọ ìbejì yẹn náà yẹn, their mind has been poisoned and their mind has been ó ti make up mind wọn pé kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́ àwọn ò ní bàbá àwọn ò mọ bàbá wọn ìkà ni bàbá wọn ó dá kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dá kó react bẹ́ẹ̀ but at the same time tí ẹ bá ń ṣe nǹkan ayọ̀ tọ́lọ̀ ń gbé yín ga tọ́lọ̀ ń jọ yín lójú ọ̀tá yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi tó kù sílẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́ni káriwo ọjà kó máa sunkún. You don't have to come out and rub it to the man's face. When I mean rub it to the man's face, giving him sub, throwing shade, insulting him, it is very uncalled for. And àwọn èèyàn máa wò pé irú òbí wo ló tọ́ ọmọ yìí màmá àwọn ọmọ yìí ò tọ́ wọn ni báwo ló ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá wọn báyìí bàbá wọn ò tọ́ wọn lóòótọ́ gbogbo ayé mọ̀ pé bàbá yẹn kò responsible kò tọ́jú wọn but having said that ìyẹn ò fáwọn ọmọ yẹn ní audacity láti disrespect bàbá wọn. Because Bíbélì sọ pé bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá rẹ àti bàbá rẹ kò sọ pé bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá rẹ kò má bọ̀wọ̀ fún bàbá rẹ torí bàbá ò tọ́jú ẹ ó ní bọ̀wọ̀ fún màmá rẹ àti bàbá rẹ kí ọjọ́ ayé rẹ kó lè pẹ́ láyé. Am I communicating? So that is my little 50 cents for Ìyá Ìbejì this morning. Please Mama Ìbejì Ọlọ́run tẹ̀ ti rọ̀ yín lẹ́kún. Please let it go and let God. Please, whenever anything is happening again, whenever you are doing something great, tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé yìí máa ṣe lórúkọ Jésù tí kò nípa yín tí ò nípa àwọn ọmọ yín. Tẹ́ máa jẹ wọn ọmọ yẹn dọjọ́ alẹ́. Please talk to the twins. Tell them not to insult their father. Please, if it means you begging them, they should know how to talk in public. Because many are following them, many are watching them, many are seeing them as role models. They should not talk to their parents like that, even if the man is not their parent. Am I communicating? So Mama Ìbejì, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni, Ìbejì, ẹ dàgbà, ẹ dògbó, ọkọ alálùbáríkà lẹ máa fẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù. Gbogbo àdúrà tí mọ́mì yín dẹ̀ ṣe fún yín lánàá, a ṣẹlẹ̀ yín lórí. Please, don't do that again. It is not good. It is not. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ yín ni. Ẹ má insult bàbá yín, ẹ má rubbish bàbá yín. Bàbá yín ti ń jìyà ó ti ń jìyà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ó ti ń jìyà ṣé yà ẹnìkan wá lè jẹyàn níyà láyé tó ìyà Ọlọ́run ni ìyà Ọlọ́run lójú láyé kò sí ọkùnrin tó fi obìnrin sílẹ̀ nínú oyún àbí nínú ọmọ tí obìnrin yẹn dá gbọ́ bùkátà tọ́lọ́run ń compensate wọn Ọlọ́run máa ń compensate wọn tọ́lọ́run bá ti wá ń compensate wa yẹn kò wá jẹ́ ká wá tún bọ́ta orí búkú lọkùnrin yẹn máa ṣe kíní kan ló máa ṣe bàbá òṣì kọ́mọ yẹn wá bọ́ta kó máa bú bàbá ẹ̀ no ẹ má jẹ́ ká ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ please kò sí obìnrin náà àfi obìnrin lórí búkú tẹ́ pé ṣìnà ló fi kó nílé ọkọ tó lọ ń dóko kiri tọkọ fi lé o tó lọ ń dá tọmọ o mi sọ yẹn o ṣùgbọ́n kò sí obìnrin tó wà faithful láyé tó forí ṣe fọkùnrin tó fọrùn ṣe tọkùnrin yẹn wá lè bọ́ta tọmọtọmọ tó dá tọmọ nínú ìrora nínú kòsíkòsí tó dá tọmọ Ọlọ́run máa ń compensate wọn so tọ́lọ́run bá ti compensate wa tó ti dùn wá nínú yẹn kí wá làwa gangan táwa bọ́ta táwa máa ní afẹ́ máa jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yẹn máa insult bàbá wọn please desist from it okay yeah that is that one. That is the first viral video I saw. The second viral video I saw is the video of okay, wọ́n ní kò ṣe first time o. Wọ́n ní kò ṣe first time o ton throw shade in. You see? It is not good at all. They need to stop it now. They are too little for what they are doing. Bàbá wọn ni bàbá wọn mama jẹ́. Bàbá yàn ni bàbá yàn mama jẹ́. I will never come out now. Kí wá ma ní mo bú bàbá mi torí bàbá mi. My own father was there for us. And tó bá mọ